Hey guys, so I've taken some measurements for making some coverings for these holes in the gearbox, like that, for the flanges. These will be, it's just a template for the trailing arms that attach to the end of the bearing part of the swing arms. So that's the bearing cap goodie, and that then fits sort of nicely with the holes there. If you look at this cover plate, it sort of fits. It actually needs to be made more to that shape there, if you can see it. But I measured the holes right, which is great. Let me turn the gearbox around and we can see the adapter plate. So what I want to do is put an adapter plate onto this bell housing, and then drill holes for the particular motor that gets attached. As you can see, holes line up pretty nicely. So what we'll do is we'll put holes in here, find the right motor, and let it match up to the input shaft into the gearbox. Cool. Cool.